Hello and welcome to day 11 of the 30-day Yoga and Pilates challenge. Today we're doing yoga flow for arm balances. We're going to start in seated cross position with some shoulder movement. Alternate your shoulders into circles back and then forward. Now up and down. Lift your shoulders up and lower down. Lift up, lower down. Nice. Now inhale, dive into cat-cow stretch. Open your chest. Exhale, chin to chest, around your back. Inhale, dive in. Look up, arch your lower back. Open your chest. Exhale, chin to chest, round your back. Inhale, dive in. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, dive in. Exhale. Nicely done. Okay, now place your hands on your mat and tabletop position. Hands just below your shoulders, knees just below your hips. Inhale, cat-cow stretch. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, look up, arch your lower back. Exhale, chin to chest, around your back, push through your palms. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, round the back. Inhale, neutral spine position. And now let your chest sink and then protract your shoulders. Inhale, let your chest sink. Exhale, push. Inhale, drop your chest down. Exhale, push up. Keep going, just a few more. Retraction, protraction of the shoulder capilla. And now inhale, open to the left. Exhale, elbow in. Inhale, open. Exhale, twist. Inhale, open. Exhale, twist in. Now let's switch the other side. Inhale, right elbow up. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, right elbow up. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, up. Exhale, lower down. Take your toes. Lift your knees off the mat. Drop them down. Lift your knees up. Hold into that bear position and drop them down. One more. Inhale, hold this bear position. Now extend the right and the left leg and hold into the plank. Back to bear, drop your knees down. Press your knees up. Now left leg, right leg, plank. Left leg, right leg, bear, drop down. Bear position. And press into down dog. Spread your fingers, push your hips up towards the sky. Keep your back straight, legs straight. Now you can bicycle your legs, alternating. And plank position. Drop down on your forearms. Hold the low plank position and now press into dolphin plank. You can step a little bit forward with your feet. Hold this position and breathe. Hold and breathe. And now back to low plank. Push up into high plank and down dog. Hold and breathe. Hold and breathe. Look forward. Step your feet towards your hands. Grab your elbows, swing a little bit side to side. Release the tension from the upper body, from the shoulders. And place your hands on your hips with straight back. Rise up. Nicely done, everyone. Now we're going to be doing some Surya Namaskara, some salutations. Inhale, arms up towards the sky. Exhale, folding forward. Place your hands beside your feet. Try to keep your back straight, chest towards thighs. Inhale, halfway. And exhale, jump back or step into Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, tuck your toes, down dog. Spreading the fingers, pushing through your hands, lifting hips up. Okay, and now transition to plank position. Body is aligned, head, shoulders, hips, knees and ankles in one straight line. Lift your right leg up, hold the plank position. Right knee to the right elbow, hold. Right leg back. Now right knee to the left elbow, hold. And back. Right knee to the center around your back. Right leg down, plank, Chaturanga, up dog, and down dog. Plank position. Hold here, body aligned. Now lift the left leg up, point your toes, left knee to the left elbow, back. Left knee to the right elbow, hold and back. Left knee to the center, round your back and plank, Chaturanga, up dog. Tuck your toes, down dog. Breathe and stay here. Okay, plank position again. Now we're gonna twist to the left. Left arm up the sky, holding, squeezing the inner thighs, squeezing and lifting from the hips. Body is aligned. And now back to plank. We're gonna twist to the other side. Side plank to the right. Open the right arm up. Hold the body in one straight line. Squeeze your legs together. Keep breathing. And plank. Chaturanga. Up dog with inhale. Exhale, down dog. Try to keep your legs straight. And now we're gonna take a moment and we're gonna rest in extended child's pose. Take your time as long as you need. Nicely done. On your knees. Take a moment and do some circles with your wrists just to release any tension and just to warm them a little bit more. We're gonna do some crow variations here. We're gonna try for crow. Okay, so hands are shoulder width apart. Try for the middle fingers face the top corners of your mat. From here, place your knees on your triceps. Lean forward around your back and try to bring your heels towards your glutes one at a time. Suck your belly in. Make sure you protract your shoulders. Big toes are touching. It's a work in progress. And release. Try a couple of times. If you need, you can push the pause button and just work on your crow. Lean forward. The trick here is just to lean forward and to gaze forward. Just take your time. If it's your first time trying for the crow pose, it's not gonna be perfect, but eventually you get there. Okay? Just one more for me. Slowly. It's hard on the grass, it's not very stable. Okay, stretch your arms, stretch your shoulders. And now maybe we can try for a side crow variation. This is actually my favorite crow variation because it's a little bit easier. Okay, so squat on toes. Now twist to the side and lean forward into the arms. Core is engaged. Gaze slightly forward. Feet together, press thighs together. Hips lifted. Now let's try the other side. Okay, knee hooks into the arm. And lean forward, legs. Lift, keep them together. Flex feet, spread toes if you need. One side is always easier than the other one, but just keep trying. Let me try this side. Okay, so knees hooked to the side of the arm and lift up and hold. And just keep trying, keep working to do the side crow variation. Now sit down on your knees, child's pose actually, and take your time. Enjoy the stretch. Nicely done today. Okay. Now we're gonna lay on our backs. Slowly roll down one vertebrae at a time. Extend your legs. Hug your right knee in. And now spinal twist. Pressing the right knee to the left. Extending the right leg to the right arm to the side. Gazing the arm, keeping both shoulders on the ground, on the mat. And now let's switch. The other side. Hug your left knee in. Press your left knee to the right. But first, just a few ankle circles, obviously. Now press your left knee to the side Extend your left arm to the side. Keep both shoulder blades on the mat and just enjoy the twist. And that was it. It's time for Shavasana, our final resting pose. But before that, just a few stretches of the wrists. Lots of wrist work today, lots of arm balances, planks. Extend your legs. Take your time and just breathe here. Enjoy the Shavasana. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoy this practice. Go enjoy your day. Be good, feel good, stay active. And I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Bye.